are structure, manage and culture. Now our class 5th students are talk to you about each topic. Thank you. From 5th standard, I am going to speak about the universe. The universe is vast expansion of the space. The universe consists of billions of galaxies and stars, asteroids, comets, dwarf planets, and satellites. The actual size of universe is still unknown. The scientists believe that the universe is still expanding outward. Thank you. I am studying 5th standard. I will talk about solar system. Solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets, their moons, dwarf planets, asteroids and comets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun and the 5th largest in our solar system. My name is V.P. Siddharth. I am studying in 5th standard. I am going to talk about solar system. The Venus is the second nearest planet to the sun. Composition of atmosphere 95.7% carbon dioxide, 3.5% nitrogen. Sunrise and sunset direction. Sunrise in the west and sets in the east. Thank you. My name is Srimani from 5th standard. I speak about valuable human being, helping someone, gardening, salute, pampering a pet animal, watering a sapling, helping grandparents. Now we can see about good values. There are personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, constitutional values. We should maintain the following good values in public places. Maintain good relation with people. Respect elders. Protect nature. Maintain friendship. Thank you.
My name is Mohammed Zaid. I am studying 5th standard. I talk about oceans. Atlantic Ocean, South Ocean and Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of Earth's 5 oceanic divisions. Thank you.